Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. We're less than a week from Christmas and most of us start getting tired. Without compromising on delicious meals, we still want something quick and easy to make. Plus, it's even better if it's a one-pot recipe, like this one. Cod in Puttanesca sauce. Far from being bland, in 30 minutes, you can have this flavorful dinner that can be enjoyed with crusty bread, or if you like, spoon the fish and sauce over rice and pasta. So let's get cooking. Here are 4 fillets that have been patted dry, and we'll season on both sides with ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. We'll set aside while we move on to the stove. In a large skillet over medium heat, we'll add oil, and when it gets hot, we'll add chopped onions and saute for 2 minutes. To this, we'll add anchovies, and the little guys don't want to come out. All right, there. As well as the oil from the can, which is very flavorful. So why throw it out when it can be salvaged? Some red pepper flakes, not a lot. Sliced black olives, I'm using a can, and capers. We'll stir the ingredients and cook them for a couple minutes. 2 minutes later, we'll add pressed garlic and quickly saute it for 30 seconds. We'll now pour in the dry white wine. I'm using Pinot Grigio, but a nice Chardonnay is another option. Stir well and simmer for 2 minutes. When time is up, we'll add tomate concassée, and to see how to do it, which by the way is super easy, click on the top right corner of your screen. We'll season with ground sea salt. Don't go crazy, there's already a can of anchovies in it. And freshly ground black pepper. We'll mix everything very well, bring it back to a simmer, and let it cook for 8 minutes, stirring occasionally. But 2 minutes before the cooking time is up, we'll add some Italian seasoning, which you can make from scratch by clicking on the top right corner of your screen. We'll mix it until well blended. Next, we'll add our seasoned cod fillets. I'm only using 4 and they're big ones, but you can easily use more fillets if you want. There's enough sauce for 6. We'll reduce the heat to medium-low and spoon the sauce over the pieces. We'll cover and, depending on the thickness, we'll simmer for 12 to 15 minutes or until the fish is flaky using a fork. About 6 minutes later, we'll spoon more sauce over. You don't have to do that step, but I like to do it as I want to make sure the fillets are nicely covered. We'll place the lid back on and continue simmering for the remaining time. When they're done, we'll sprinkle on some fresh chopped parsley and serve with crusty bread. And my friends, this is our cod in Puttanesca sauce. Colorful, this delicious 30-minute recipe is another great one to have on hand when you're short on time or don't want to spend too much time in the kitchen. It's a lovely Italian meal full of flavor. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!